Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to check the list of all devices having access to your Microsoft account, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Privacy and Security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Find My Device. You'll find this option which reads See All Devices linked to your account. Click on it and it will take you to a page which will need a few seconds to load, and then it will display all these devices. For example, this device is linked to my account and this other device is linked to my account. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.